What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about a charging problem facing the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. Many users are reporting issues when using a 5 amp cable with a 45 watt charger, even the Samsung official one. We're going to get into the easy fix for that today, and Samsung's also aware of the issue and they've made a comment. I'll tell you about that in just a second. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys, check out our website, sammyguru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. If you guys haven't bought your S25 device yet, you still plan to buy one here in the US, tap on the orange banner at the top, get in our free mystery box program with a case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand. We cover shipping costs and all the items in the box. All you have to do, use our Samsung affiliate link to order. That's how we fund the program. Fill out the verification form to put in your shipping information, and we'll send that out to you guys. We'll also be launching our new SammyGuru Rewards program very soon so that everyone around the world can take advantage of SammyGuru Rewards. More details on that soon. Sign up for our newsletter in the pinned comment description if you're interested in being notified when we go live. So let's go ahead and talk about this issue. We posted the article over here at SammyGuru. People are complaining across the internet, Samsung's forums, Reddit, and X, that the S25 Ultra and S25 Plus have an issue charging 45 watts with a 5 amp cable. Now, if you go to Samsung's forums, this is going to take me, I think this was not a US site, so it's going to take me to the browser. There was this additional post about a week ago where some people are reporting the issues with 45 watt charger. I believe this is a charger that's bundled with the S25 Ultra in other regions. We don't get a charger bundled here in the US, but I think in Europe, they're required to bundle the charger. Some people who are, subscribers to the channel from Europe, you guys can let me know if that's true. But the guy's saying the original charger, so I think he means it's bundled, with the 5 amp cable from the set no longer works. This also could be a 45 watt charger they purchased because they do sell one here in the US as well, and I do have one. So he's saying it doesn't work and it switches back and forth between super fast charging and other modes. And also it says super fast charging 2.0, but then it doesn't charge at all, or it's charging really slowly. Other people are chiming in saying that they have, no issues. Some people saying their charger's actually faster. And someone hints at the correct fix here, which is actually what you should do, is use the included 3 amp cable with a 45 watt charger. Now, the reason for this is Samsung changed the charging spec on the S25 Plus and the S25 Ultra. It now uses 15 volt 3 amp spec to achieve 45 watt charging, which is more efficient. So using the 3 amp cable is actually better. And as this person notes, the charging is slightly faster because of the efficiency of 15 volt 3 amp spec. However, the 5 amp cable should still work 100%. And I've tested it with my 45 watt Samsung charger here in the US and a 5 amp cable, and I didn't have any issues. I also tested it with a 65 watt charger I have for my Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 with a 5 amp cable. It also works fine. No issues whatsoever with any of these various chargers and cables. I've tried Belkin, I've tried UAG, a bunch of different third-party cables as well. So no real issues there whatsoever. However, there are other reports around the internet. It's not just on the Samsung community forums. There were posts on Reddit, someone talking about their S25 Plus here, switching back and forth. They were using an Anker 47 watt charger, having some issues. And then there was also this post over on X, which is the one I want to highlight because this is the one that Samsung actually responded to. This person here, Simone, if I translate to English, this is in Italian, said they have a problem with the S25 Ultra. When they charge it, shows connecting and disconnecting endlessly. I used a new 45 watt charger that I got with my phone. So I'm assuming that means they're using the 45 watt charger that was bundled. Again, I'm assuming this is bundled in Europe. This is in Italy again. It's not in the US, but they were not using the cable that was included with the phone, which is the 3 amp cable. Samsung Italy responds and says, as I was alluding to earlier, can you tell us if you're using the 5 amp cable and not the 3 amp one included in the box? In fact, we are aware of an anomaly on charging with a 5 amp cable that will be resolved with the future update. So Samsung Italy is saying they're going to push a software update that fixes this issue of charging with a 5 amp cable, and they're aware of this issue, even when using an official 5 amp cable from Samsung with an official 45 watt charger from Samsung. Simone responds and says, yes, I was using the 5 amp cable, does not seem to have a problem with the 3 amp cable. And so is this something that can be solved with a future update? And Samsung responds in the affirmative that it will be fixed. However, a lot of people are probably charging with the 5 amp cable because they assume, based on what they had to do in past years, because it used the 9-volt 5-amp spec to get quick charging 2.0, which is the 45 watts, that they need to use a 5-amp cable. That's not true. And in fact, the 3-amp cable not only charges just as fast, it actually charges slightly faster because of that efficiency. We did write up a piece here on Sammy Guru where we did some testing to prove this, and that's why we're suggesting as the main fix, just use a 3-amp cable with your 45-watt charger and you'll be good to go. You could also turn off super fast charging in there to stabilize the charging, but that's going to slow down the speeds, whereas using the 3-amp cable will not. We wrote this article here investigating the charging speeds with a 3-amp cable, and they're actually faster than what you would get in past years by using a 5-amp cable to achieve 45 watts. Anyway, I want to let you guys know about this because this is a pressing little issue that some people have noticed, and it's becoming more widespread. I think it stems from a lot of people don't realize that using the 3-amp cable will still give them the top peak charging speeds. I am making a video on all S25 Ultra problems and possible solutions. So if you guys have some of those you'd like me to cover, drop them below before I make that video. I'll try to peek at the comments and try to address as many as I can. Check out sammyguru.com, bookmark it. We cover all the Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, reviews you need to know. Get on the Mystery Box program if you're interested. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.